Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. I am getting ready to go away on a trip. And so today I want to walk you guys through what to take on a cruise. Okay, so we are going away for 7 to 9 days. So I'm going to take you guys through what I pack when I go away. Sometimes I think it's really helpful for you guys just to see what other people do. Because if you're anything like me, I pack, I repack like 3, 4, 5 times. And then when it actually comes down to the week of leaving, I put everything out on the table, and then that way I can show you guys and I can see for myself what I'm actually taking. So we're gonna dive right in. So first and foremost, I'm going on a cruise. I'm going to the Caribbean, so bathing suits is essential. I am gonna be bringing about 4 different bathing suits. I'm pregnant, so because of that, I went and bought bathing suits that, one, I felt like a babe in, that I felt really killer in, but ones that also covered me. And I only have 1 tankini and I have 3 bikinis, okay? They cover me, but they're bikinis, they're 2 pieces nonetheless, okay? The next thing I do is socks. I bring enough socks, 1 per day. And that's just, not that I wear them all, but I could wear them at night, I could wear them with tennis shoes, I could wear them just to be comfy in, okay? The next thing are dresses. I bring 2 dresses, 1 long, 1 short. I do them for the dinners, so that way if we decide to go to one of the steakhouses one night, but most of the time I wear those 2 dresses for 2 of the nicer nights that we go to dinner, okay? I do bring 1 workout outfit, and that's just because I've always just been active, and even though I'm pregnant now, I'm not gonna be working out every day on the cruise. I at least will do 1 or 2 days of workout, so I have that, okay? The next thing I'm gonna bring are pajamas. So I obviously have 1 really cute one. I'm going with my husband, so I obviously wanna look good at night in the bedroom. So I have lingerie, I have a bra and underwear set, and then I also have really loungy, comfy. I have a Victoria's Secret set that's just intended just to be long sleeve, long pants, super flowy. So I have those as well, okay? Okay. As far as like undergarments, I normally bring 1 underwear per day. I'm pregnant, so I'm obviously not having girl problems right now. So if you are, like, if you're gonna be on your period or anything, I always say bring like at least an extra set per day, just in case you have any leaks or anything. But as a female, I just do a pair a day. And then I normally do like 1 really nice bra, some bralettes, because I'm going on a cruise. It's not like I'm gonna be in my bathing suit half the time, even underneath my clothes. So it's totally up to you, kind of your lifestyle. If you're not like, if you're going on a cruise but you're not like a beach or a water person, then obviously bring what you would on a normal trip for undergarments, okay? Okay, so the next thing I wanna talk about are like my actual outfits. So because we're going on a 7 to 9 day cruise, I think we have a total of 5 actual like on land days. Some of those will be excursion based. I am gonna bring like an excursion outfit per day. Now this is an outfit that can get wet. Most likely my wet bathing suit will be underneath. So I have a total of 3 of them. So I have 3 like wet weather outfits that I can just slip on over a bathing suit, but they will dry really easily. So 2 of the outfits are tank and shorts. And then 1 of them is just a dress cover up. I just got it off Amazon. It's really cute. I love it so far. We'll see when I'm actually using it. So that's my 3 like beachy cover up style to wear with my bathing suit. In addition to that, I have, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 outfits that are tank tops / t-shirt with shorts, and they're all interchangeable, okay? So like I have a maroon with shorts, but that maroon could go with my pink, my blush pants, and then I have like a gray that could go back with the navy. I have these shorts that are like, they're lacy, they're super lacy, and like this goes with that. So summery, feeling awesome. Some are loose, some are a little tighter. Because I'm pregnant, I'm gonna like tend to favor some looser stuff, but still super cute. So I bought these tank tops off Amazon that are, they're tank top maternities. I had a hard time finding maternity tanks actually that weren't, 1, super expensive, and 2, like kind of cheesy. So I really liked these that I found, okay? So 3 pairs of shorts, 3 tank tops, because again, I'm gone 7 to 9 days. However, I have my beachy stuff tanks, and I have my like lounge around the boat, okay? All right, so I'm one that I get cold easy. So I do bring one sweatshirt outfit with leggings, okay? This is just so that in case I get chilly, I can put it on, or if we're on top deck, I just have an option. It's not a windbreaker, it's not a coat. I don't go that far, but I do just bring extra layers. And I do bring 2 long sleeves. So we're gone, like I said, I think we're got to 7 to 9 day cruise. So I'm going to bring at least 2 long sleeves that I can put over top my tanks, okay? All right, so let's real quick talk about pants. So this is always like my demise. I wear a lot of pants, I wear a lot of jeans. So this trip I'm actually only taking 2, okay? I have just a cute camo pair of capris with a maternity t-shirt that's just gray. This can be interchangeable with any of my black tank tops that I have with me. And then we're wedding photographers, as you know, and we're doing an engagement session in Sarasota on our last day that we port. So I did bring an extra like cuter outfit. This is literally just like black jeans with a blank tank. Most likely I'll wear a gray with it. And then when we go to dinner with our couple, I'll wear like a long sleeve, something cute. So I have like a cuter outfit that I could wear on boat as well if it's a cooler night and I don't want to be in my like nicer dress or in shorts, but I still can go to dinner and look kind of cute and still be comfy. So I always bring at least 2 sets of pants whenever I travel 7 days plus, okay? All right, shoes. Let's talk shoes. So I definitely don't overpack on shoes. I have a pair of leather flip-flops. I bring my rainbows. So I live in these. They're a little bit beat up, but I love them. Because of like water and moisture, they end up turning my feet brown. So if you wear rainbows, you already know that. Like if your feet are wet and the leather gets wet, it dyes your feet. And I don't really want brown feet on the cruise. So I have these just for like boat days. For excursions, I'm bringing just a set of just like teal Havaianas. They don't match with anything, but I don't really care what I look like when I'm like on my excursions, because most likely I'm gonna wear them to the beach and hop in the water and snorkel. I also bring 1 pair of tennis shoes, and I bring a cute pair of sandals so that this can be worn with any of my outfits. It can be worn with my pants set. It can be worn with my like boat lounge outfit, and it can also be worn with my dresses, okay? So this is like I'll probably wear these a lot more than anything. And then I am gonna bring a pair of Rothy's, and these are just because they're comfy, they're closed toe. When we're doing an on-land excursion, I can also wear these and not necessarily be in flip-flops, okay? Guys, so I really quickly want to talk about these things called lean travels. They are awesome. I'm gonna pack everything that I just went through, clothing-wise. I'm gonna pack into these bags. I'm gonna organize them by like outfits instead of like shirt type. And that way it just makes it really easy to be like, okay, great, like all of my t-shirt and short outfits like are in this one, and then I can put it in the dresser on the cruise boat, and I don't have to open up my luggage at all, like my actual like suitcase the whole week. It stays in storage, and all I have to do is just access these little guys, which makes it really nice. It keeps them clean, because you don't know who was staying in the cabin before. You don't know the last time those drawers were wiped out. So I just feel like this is like a great option for both for hygiene, but also just keeping yourself organized like when you're cruising. I'm gonna cover this stuff on another video, but this is like the essentials for what you need to pack for cosmetics. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful in helping you guys pack for a 7 to 9 day cruise. Be sure to see our other videos. I also am putting a video out that's all about like the 10 must-haves to take on a cruise that are like cosmetic related. And then I'm gonna be sharing another video on what to take on a BabyMoon. So like essential items for any time you travel pregnant, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.